2013 Ford Mustang 5.0. Really nice car. GT. And then a /CS. I don't know what it stands for, but... Huh? Maybe a Carroll Shelby? Anyways, we got factory converters there and there. Then we took off that right there, which is a factory H-pipe and resonators, and replaced them with X-pipe, True Flow X-pipe. We'll have a link in the description for it. And then 2 1/4 pipe. Then we continue at 2 1/4 all the way back, and he has an axle back 2 1/2 that he had installed somewhere else into 3 1/2 inch tips there and there. So it's basically true dual all the way back right there. That's what it looks like, boys and girls, when you put an X-pipe on it. Hope you guys like it. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. I think it came out beautiful. Much better. T. Mustangs never disappoint. Okay? Dude, 120, bro. That's awesome. Go ahead and back it up. Are you guys happy? Oh, yeah. Hell yeah. And that's what we cut off of it right there. There's a factory H-pipe with a flex pipe in it and the 2 resonators. And he had a muffler delete when replace it with the MBR piece axle back. 3 inch. Go ahead. That sounds so good, man. Hell yeah. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Ford Mustang 5.0.